Hello everyone, my name is Musa from Daytona, Japan, and today I'm going to introduce Daytona indicator mounts for fork. So these indicator mounts are CNC aluminum with black anodized surface and stainless steel bolts. So you can use one of these indicator mounts when you want to install your indicator to your fork on your motorcycle. These really come handy in such situations. And in the box you will find two indicator mounts. So these are sold in pairs for left and right. And also you will find colors to fix your indicators rotation to your clamp. And for different fork sizes we have 10 different sizes of these indicator mount from 35 to 59 millimeters. So let's go install one of these indicator mounts on this BMW R9T to see how the process works. So first step is to run your cable through the collar and screw it tightly. And after that, run your cable of your indicator through the clamp like this. And again, screw it tightly. And to fix the rotation of your indicator, use the collar. As you can see, it's secured to its position right now. And now let's go install on this motorcycle. So first, choose the location where you want to install your indicator. Right now I want to install my indicator right here. And another feature of this product is that the groove on this clamp, so you can hide your cables through this groove and have a sleek installation. Okay. Okay, now so let's decide the rotation of our indicator. Okay, so right now the second bolt, be careful not to squeeze or pinch your indicator cables. Before tightening it completely, choose the rotation of your indicator. Right now it looks great for me. Let's secure it tightly. As you can see, thanks to the groove, we can hide the cable behind the fork, just like this. So on the front side you cannot see the cables, and you can have a really clean installation. Just like this. Cables are not visible. After this point, you can wire your indicator cables to your motorcycle and the installation is finished. So that's all for today's indicator mounts. Thanks for watching.